Hey Cryptoverse, welcome to this episode of Crypto Baptist. The show highlights everything about institutions getting into crypto. Today's July 20th, 2021, and I'm your host, Dan. We have a nice survey here from Fidelity Digital Assets. They surveyed about 1,000 institutional investors, and the results are absolutely bullish for crypto. So about 71% institutional investors plan on buying or investing in digital assets in the future, and more than 90% of them will have allocations or investments by 2026. And increase in demand is due to the potential for upside and low correlation to other assets. And the main driver for the main barrier to adoption is still the volatility of the price action and due to the weak infrastructure and possible manipulation. And the region that is most bullish is in Asia, followed by Europe, and then the USA. So despite the negativity or bear market at the moment, there's a lot of interest and demand for crypto or digital assets. I believe all the banks now have a crypto desk or crypto service for their clients, and the demand will just continue to increase, not decrease. Grayscale is launching a decentralized finance fund, and these are the coins that will be in the fund. Half of it is going to be Uniswap, and then the next largest are Aave, Compound, Curve, and MakerDAO. And then on to VC investments. It's also absolutely booming. That's why it's hard to believe that we are going to be in a bear market. First off, we have OpenSea, valued now at $1.5 billion. They raised $100 million from Andreessen Horowitz. And then the big kahuna is FTX. They just raised $900 million from over 60 investors, valuing them at $18 billion. And these are heavy hitter investors. This is no joke. So the people behind backing them are serious investors. Paradigm, Sequoia, Third Point, Lightspeed, Coinbase Ventures, SoftBank, Multicoin, Paul Tudor Jones family, VanEck. So congrats to Sam. I believe Forbes has him as the richest person in crypto at the moment. He's richer than the Winklevoss twins. He's richer than Coinbase, Brian Armstrong. Congrats to him. I have not used FTX myself because I'm in the US, but I'm looking forward to using their products in the future as they continue to expand the FTX US service. And then we have Terra raising $150 million from investors to invest in the Terra ecosystem. Here's a nice report from NIDU on the long-term compounding effects of Bitcoin, and it's saying that if you look at a annualized returns over 5-year holding period, Bitcoin is king. Now take this with a large grain of salt because I think it was produced to be a biased take on why you should be bullish on Bitcoin, in my opinion. Because Bitcoin is the youngest asset out of all of these. US equities has been around almost 100 years and is still able to produce great returns. So we gotta see the longevity of Bitcoin. We gotta see how it does in the next 100 years, or at least 20 or 30 years. So I'm excited to see how Bitcoin will perform in the next decade. Hopefully it can continue the great momentum that it has already done in the past 10 years. And hopefully we'll continue to outperform the other assets and become the king asset of them all. Until then, these results are great, and just keep investing until the results prove otherwise. All right, that's all I have for you today. And oh yeah, don't forget that ARK is hosting the B World Conference with Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk tomorrow. So I'll definitely check it out. It's going to be fun to see the price action of Bitcoin as the conference happens. All right, take care.